Hello everyone, it is official. I'm going to the Frankfurt Motor Show. I'm very excited to see, of course, many cars, and of course my main car that I'm interested in because I'm buying it. It's the Volkswagen ID.3. So I'm going there on September 13th, which is the second day of the Frankfurt Motor Show. It's the Friday, and I want to be there at 9, so I have to start driving here at 4 a.m. have to get up at, I don't know, 3:30 and then drive 4 a.m. Gonna drive in the dark because it takes 4.5 hours to get there, and I want to be there at time. I've already bought the ticket, and so like I said, 4.5 hour drive, and then want to be there at 9 a.m. when they open, and then I want to run as fast as possible with everything prepared to the ID.3, and I already know where Volkswagen will be at the motor show and where to enter and everything, so I get the car maybe with not 2,000 people around it, so I can film it outside, inside, a bit more quiet and less people. That would be nice. But there are so many things more that I want to see. I already wrote a little plan. So of course Volkswagen ID.3, then Seat is the same as Volkswagen, it's the same company. Or maybe the Elborn, hope it's there. Then Audi e-tron, maybe have a new version or anything. Porsche Taycan, now look at that, of course. Mercedes will be there with the EQC and maybe other models. We'll see. BMW will be there with the iNext or whatever. Polestar 2, I want to see that car. That would be very interesting. Then I have an appointment, or kind of an appointment. I said come by and talk to us with Opel Vauxhall, because I wrote a lot of manufacturers if I can test drive a car a bit early before the dealership had it, and a lot of them said no. And Opel was kind enough and said come meet us at the Frankfurt Motor Show, we can talk about it, maybe we can figure something out, and it would be very nice, and I like that. Hyundai will be there, I want to see the new Ioniq, maybe talk to them about getting the new Ioniq, or maybe the Kona 2020 with the new display. Jaguar I-Pace, maybe there's something new. The Renault will be there, I want to see the Zoe with the ZE50, especially the interior. I'm pretty sure they updated it very well. Maybe if I have time, go to Honda and look at the small car. I don't even know what the car is called, but that could be interesting. I'm just very excited. I want to film a lot and get a special shots with the new equipment, so it looks great. And then of course filming getting there, the whole story, because it's an exciting thing. I had to take a day off work, and it will be the whole day will be exhausting, and the ticket costs 46 euros or something. It's not the normal day, so a day later it's way cheaper, but then there are millions of people, and I want to get there and see the ID.3. It's just important if I made the right choice, because then it's less than 4 weeks now, and this Wednesday, today it's Sunday, in Wednesday or Thursday in 3 weeks the ID.3 will be available to order, and of course I have to talk to my Volkswagen dealer to get the order done very quickly, so I get the car as one of the first. That would be nice, that would be very exciting. I would love that, and pick it up as close as possible to the factory. I'm thinking of Dresden, because it's right around Zwickau where the car is being built, so maybe I could get it even earlier, day earlier, anything. I have to talk to them about that. And yeah, I'm very excited. Can't wait for the ID.3. I just can't. I love that car. It's a great idea, and of course it's very special to me since ordering it, and it will be my first electric car, and so far it seems like it fits me very well, and that just makes me happy. Can't wait to get into that car and see if it's all, hopefully not be disappointed with things. There will be things, of course, but just overall very excited. Okay, thank you very much for watching. Have a great day, take care, and if you're there, write a comment or anything, maybe we can meet up. Bye.